This chat is no longer active. Messenger security explained. Today I'm going to show you what this message actually means and why it suddenly appears. If you're seeing "this chat is no longer active" and wondering whether you were blocked, something broke, or Messenger changed its rules, this will clear it up quickly. This message usually appears in chats affected by Messenger's newer privacy and encryption system. As Messenger moves more conversations to end-to-end encryption, some older chat threads can no longer continue under the new setup. When Messenger can securely carry the conversation forward, it closes the specific thread and marks it as inactive. One of the most common reasons is a device or account change. If you or the other person switched phones, reinstalled Messenger, logged in on a new device, or didn't restore encrypted chat backups, Messenger may lose access to the secure connection for that chat. When the encryption keys don't match, the app blocks new messages to protect privacy. This message can also appear if the other person deactivated their account, restricted messaging, or in some cases blocked you. Messenger doesn't always explain which one happened, which is why the message can feel confusing. The good news is that this does not automatically mean your account is in trouble. It doesn't mean your messages were reported, and it doesn't always mean you were blocked. It simply means that specific chat thread can't be used anymore. In many cases, you can start a new conversation by searching for the person's name and sending a fresh message. If their account is still active and messaging is allowed, the new chat will work normally under Messenger's current security rules.